this video, I'll be walking you through statements. To access statements, click on Invoices and Statements. You can create new statements by clicking on the New Statements button. Create for all clients will of course create a statement for all of the firm's clients. For My Matters only, will create a statement for the matters that the user is marked as the responsible professional for. And Allow a zero balance statements will generate statements for clients that do not have a balance. If you do not enable this, any client that doesn't have a balance will not be included. And No invoice since date. This excludes clients that have received invoices since the specified date. Select the statements you wish to either download or send out. You must first specify a sending method from here. Now you can see here that there's no email checkbox for these other clients and no automail either, but that's because it's not set up under the invoice settings, so make sure that's set up if you wish to send them out from either of these methods.